Governor, you got a second? Governor, I live here, Governor. That was my daughter's school, Governor. Please tell me what you're going to do. I'm not going to hurt him, I promise.
I'm literally talking to the president right now to specifically answer the question of what we can do for you and your daughter.
Can I hear it? Can I hear your call? Because I don't believe it.
I'm sorry. There's literally, I've tried 5 times. That's why I'm walking around to make the call.
Why is the president not taking your call?
Because it's not going through. So
Why?
I have to get cell service.
So let's get it. Let's get it. I want to be here when you call the president.
I appreciate it. I'm doing that right now. And it's to immediately get reimbursements, individual assistance, and to help you. I'm devastated for you. I'm so sorry, especially for your daughter. I have 4 kids. Losing the school.
Everyone who went to school there, they lost their homes. They lost 2 homes because they were living in one and building another. Governor, please tell me, what are you going to do with the president right now?
We're getting the resources to help rebuild.
Why was there no water in the hydrants, Governor?
That's all literally.
Is it going to be different next time?
It has to be. Has to be. Of course.
What are you going to do?
I'm doing
to
everything
fill the
I
hydrants. I would fill them up personally. You know that.
I literally.
I would fill up the hydrants myself.
I understand.
But would you do that?
I would do whatever I can.
But you're not. I see the. Do you know there's water dripping over there, Governor? There's water coming out there. You can use it.
I appreciate it. I'm going to make the call to address everything I can right now, including making sure people are safe.
I'd like to make sure you do. Can I have an opportunity to at least tell people you're doing what you're saying you're doing? Could somebody have a contact? Can I have your contact information?
Right there.
大家好，睇完頭先嘅片段，如果將心比己，眼見自己間屋，無論係唔係豪宅，都一夜燒晒，嗰種發晒毛、混亂，唔知點樣好嘅心情，見到州長 Newsom， 好自然會搲住佢狂問，但係當時佢都冇計。呢場大火嘅主因，主要係極端嘅天氣，當地長期乾旱，加上強烈嘅聖塔安娜風，風速接近每小時100英里，推動火勢。喺唔同嘅片段，我哋見到蔓延得好快，面積大，火頭又多。目前已經燒咗將近2萬英畝土地。2萬英畝係咩概念？係成個大埔區嘅一半多一啲。大火已經強制疏散咗10萬人，另外仲有10萬人都要準備疏散。喺呢次大火，好多水塘都係乾嘅，自然應付唔到呢種規模嘅山火。有人問點解唔用海水？答案係唔得，因為除咗運輸困難，海水裏面有大量鹽分，會傷害植物同埋泥土，而且對滅火設備，例如水泵或者管道，有腐蝕性。喺2014年，加州通過咗1號法案，批准27億美元，其中有部分係用嚟起新嘅水庫，但係由於環境審查、許可延遲、成本上升等等原因，10年後嘅今日都未施工，水庫冇水，街喉亦都冇水，火勢更加一發不可收拾。喺2024至25嘅財政年度，洛杉磯市長同埋市議會將消防局嘅預算削減咗大概1760萬美元。呢啲削減主要係影響行政職位同埋加班預算，特別係少咗大概700萬美元嘅 OT 預算。加州長期以嚟都係進步人士嘅典範，喺環境保護同埋氣候變化嘅政策特別明顯。弊端係過分強調自然生態嘅保護，冇認真投入改善水源管理。洛杉磯消防局聘用嘅消防員都着重 DEI， 即係着重多元、公平同埋包容，能力次要。須知道救火係男性嘅工作，對體力嘅要求相當高。有個體能測試要求參加者將一個165磅嘅假人拖拉50公尺，有幾多個女性會有咁嘅氣力呢？雖然目前洛杉磯消防局只有100幾個女性消防員，不過仲話要請多啲女性咁講。由於呢場火未受到控制，好初步嘅估計，經濟損失會超過1350億美元。由於經常有山火，喺2年前已經有保險公司開始取消 喺洛杉磯嘅部分房屋保險，特別喺豪宅林立嘅地區。State Farm 呢間保險公司喺舊年7月取消咗接近70%嘅保單。唔少豪宅其實只有最基本嘅保險，即係成間靚屋燒咗就乜都冇晒。經過呢次之後，會有更多保險公司可能退出加州市場，或者係大幅提高保費。家園被毀之後，保險索償係一個好漫長嘅過程。呢次大火唔單止係天災，仲係一場對現有嘅環境政策、消防準備、公共安全、保險體系嘅嚴厲考驗。有人話火災之後，加州喺政治上會唔會令一眾荷里活名人改變政治立場，令呢個州由藍轉紅呢？咁就要再觀察啦。大火引致嘅碳排放量可能比禁用汽油車5年所慳翻嘅碳量更加多。進步人士嘅努力化為烏有。雖然呢個唔係官方環境部門嘅正式統計，但就咁聽落都夠晒諷刺。今日分享到呢度，多謝收聽。